I don't know any Christians that wake up and think, today is the day I'm going to divide the church. I don't think that happens. I think it happens more subtly and unintentionally, especially from those of us who really believe we're right. And when we're really convinced we're right, sometimes we may even be right, but our approach may not be right. In other words, let me just say this. You can be right in your beliefs, but wrong in your approach. And sometimes we think like we're defending the truth, but our attitude is actually dividing the body. Jesus didn't call us to win arguments, but to make disciples. And I hope that we can all agree that God calls us to be a light in a dark world. He calls us to be ambassadors. That's a representative of the kingdom of God.